Jai Swaminarayan children. Good afternoon to everyone. I welcome you all once again to the GK class. Okay, children, last time we discussed about the different yoga postures, that is yogasanas, right? So today we are going to discuss yoga gurus because it's in continuation, right? Chalo, let us discuss yoga gurus one by one. Now, children, it is on page number 72 of your textbook. So we'll start discussing one by one. Okay. So first is Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. Now we'll discuss about Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. So he was born on 18th November 1888 and he passed away on 20th February 1989. He was an Indian yoga teacher, Ayurvedic healer, and a scholar. He is also referred to as the father of modern yoga. Krishnamacharya is widely regarded as one of the most influential yoga teachers of the 20th century. Now, children, he held six Vedic darshanas. These darshanas, they are nothing but they are six traditional schools of Hindu philosophy. Okay? So he held the degrees in all the six, and while under the patronage of King Mysore, that is Krishnaraj Wadiyar IV. So under this king of Mysore, who he was Krishnaraja Wadiyar. So under him, Krishnamacharya traveled around India giving lectures and demonstrations to promote yoga and also worked for revival of Hatha Yoga. Hatha Yoga is a style of yoga which concentrated mainly on these breathing exercises and all. Okay, so he propagated yoga and also worked for the revival of this Hatha Yoga. Chalo, next. Swami Shivananda. Swami Shivananda. He is Swami Shivananda, and now we'll discuss about Swami Shivananda. So, Swami Shivananda, his original name was Shivananda Saraswati. Okay, he was born on 8th September 1887 and he passed away on 14th July 1963. He was a Hindu spiritual teacher and a proponent of yoga and Vedanta. Now, Shivananda was born Kuppuswamy in Pattamadai in the Tirunelveli district of Tamil Nadu. Now, this is the name of the place, this Pattamadai and Tirunelveli. This is a district in Tamil Nadu, and he was born Kuppuswamy means his name was actually Kuppuswamy, which was later on which he came to be known as in the later stage as Swami Shivananda. Now he studied medicine and served in British Malaya as a physician for several years before taking up monasticism. See, he studied medicine and he practiced it in British Malaya, and later on he took up monasticism. Monasticism means to give up on the worldly pursuits or to renounce the worldly pursuits to devote oneself fully to the spiritual work. मतलब जो रोज की जो है ना ये materialistic world, to give up that and to be spiritual, to devote one life spiritually. ठीक है, ये सारा त्याग के वो सात्विक जीवन जीना. And then he lived most of his life near Muni Ki Reti, Rishikesh, and he lived near this place Muni Ki Reti at Rishikesh. Now he was also a yogi and spiritual leader who believed that that the most important trait in a yogi is humor. The yoga that he propagated has been called the yoga of synthesis. The yoga that he propagated, it was called yoga of synthesis. Why? Because that means the harmonious development of head, hand, heart. Head means jnana, right? Jnana yoga. Hand means karma yoga, and heart means bhakti yoga. That is religious. Okay. Next is BKS Iyengar. BKS Iyengar. Now we'll discuss about BKS Iyengar. So BKS stands for Belloru Krishnamacharya Sundararaja Iyengar. Oh, such a long name. है ना? It's better we call him BKS. Okay, let's discuss. Belloru Krishnamacharya Sundararaja Iyengar. He was born on 14th December 1918 and he passed away on 20th August 2014. He's better known as BKS Iyengar, and he redefined Patanjali Yoga Sutra, and it came to be known as Iyengar Yoga. Okay, so he redefined it, and it was later on, known after his name, that is Iyengar Yoga. He was considered one of the foremost yoga teachers in the world. He is the one to let the West know the power of yoga. Okay, so he was the one who led the West, मतलब Western countries में योगा को इन्होंने पहुंचाया था. During his childhood, he resorted to yoga because of the diseases he struggled with, which made him weak. Okay, so while he was a child, he had many diseases, so that's why the Iyengar resorted to yoga to be cured from that, and he became an expert in it right later. So Iyengar was one of the earliest student of Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. See, Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, we discussed about him in the first, right? He was the first yoga guru that we discussed. So he was a student of him, and who is often, so we discussed that at that time that Tirumalai Krishnamacharya was the father of modern yoga. So this BKS Iyengar was his student. The Indian government awarded Iyengar the Padma Shri in 1991, Padma Bhushan in 2002, and Padma Vibhushan in 2014. Oh, so this Iyengar, sir has, so many awards that he has received from the Indian government, and that too prestigious awards, है ना? So also in 2004, Iyengar was named one of the 100 most influential people in the world by Times Magazine. This magazine is a very renowned magazine, and to be featured among the 100 most influential people by this magazine is a very prestigious thing. And in the year 2004, BKS Iyengar was included in this list of, that is the most 100 most influential people in the world. Big achievement. Now, next is Paramhans Yogananda. Paramhans Yogananda. These are his pictures. We'll discuss more about him. So now Paramhans Yogananda, born Mukundalal Ghosh. His name was Mukundalal Ghosh. He was born on January 5, 1893, and he passed away on March 7, 1952. He was an Indian monk, yogi, and guru who introduced millions to the teachings of meditation and Kriya Yoga. He introduced many people to meditation and Kriya Yoga through his organization Self Realization Fellowship, that is SRF. He had this organizations. He opened this, that is Yogoda Satsang Society, that is YSS of India. Now that is Paramhansa Yogananda, he lived the last 32 years of his life in America. He is the founder of spiritual classic autobiography of a yogi. So he was the founder of this book, that is autobiography of a yogi, and he spent the last 32 years of his life in America. Now, his long standing influence in the American yoga movement and especially the yoga culture of Los Angeles led him to be considered by yoga experts as the father of yoga in the West. So, because of his contributions in the American yoga movement, he was actually called by the yoga experts there the father of yoga in the West. Okay, West means Western countries. Chalo, next. K. K. Patambi Joyce. K. Patambi Joyce. This is his pictures. So we'll talk about him. K. Patambi Joyce. He was born on 26th July 1915 and he passed away on 18th May 2009. He was an Indian yoga teacher and a Sanskrit scholar who developed and popularized the Vinyasa style of yoga known as Ashtanga Yoga. So he popularized this Ashtanga Yoga based on the ancient text called Yoga Korunta. Okay, this was based on the ancient text that was Yoga Korunta. Okay, so the Maharaja of Mysore. Okay, we heard this Maharaja right in the earlier first guru that we discussed. That was Tirumalai Krishnamacharya. So this is the same Maharaja, Maharaja of Mysore. His name was Sri Krishna Rajendra Vadiyar. Engaged him to teach yoga at Sanskrit University in 1937. Okay, so this Maharaja, he bought this K. Pattabhi Joyce. He engaged him to teach yoga at the Sanskrit University of Mysore in 1937. And in 1948, Joyce established the Ashtanga Yoga Research Institute in Mysore, India. Okay, so also established a yoga research institute, that is Ashtanga Yoga Research Institute, that was also in Mysore. Then Pattabhi Joyce is one of a short list of Indians instrumental in establishing modern yoga as exercise in the 20th century, along with BKS Iyengar, who was another pupil of Krishnamachari in Mysore. है ना? So he, along with this, that is Pattambi Joyce, along with BKS Iyengar, both the pupils of pupil means students of this Krishnamacharya, that is Tirumalai Krishnamacharya, they established and they were instrumental in establishing the modern yoga as exercise. Okay, in Mysore. So this is it. Thank you so much, children, for listening to the video and for watching the video. Thank you.